Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how you can make a beautiful balloon arch using helium. This DIY balloon arch is perfect for birthdays, weddings, baby showers and parties. So before we begin, here are the materials you will need. Helium tank, different colors of balloon according to your theme, fishing line or nylon line, balloon weights and a pair of scissors. So let's get started. The first step we are going to do, take a balloon weight and one end of the fishing line and tie with the balloon weight. So we are going to tie multiples time so it will be more secure. So here I am using Wonder float. This makes the helium balloon last longer. Usually a helium balloon stay 6 to 8 hours. Using this product, the helium balloons can stay up to 24 hours. So first we will put the gel in the balloon, just one pinch, and we will rub the balloons. So now we are inflating the balloon using helium. So we are going to tie with the nylon line. Just make sure to tie it securely so there will be no leakage. Inflate the balloons according to your preferable size. You can also use a balloon sizer to perfectly size your balloons so all the balloons are even size. Make sure the gap between the balloons are equal. Once you reach halfway of the arch, you will cut the other end of the fishing line and tie to the balloon weight. So you can estimate the radius of your balloon arch. So same things we are going to tie multiple times to make it more secure. So the weight I am using here is foil weight, 400 grams. You can use other weights also. For example, you can use the balloon rings, balloon water weights or other weights. So if you have extra gap, you can cut and retie so you can have a perfect shape. So just make sure we are tying more tightly. Let's say if the gap on the balloons are uneven, you can put water on the line and slide the balloons. To make it more decorative, you can tie the balloon ribbon on the balloon, just like this. And that's it. Your DIY helium balloon arch is now complete. If you enjoyed the tutorial, please like the video, comment below and subscribe for more easy DIY decoration ideas. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.